letting my girls pick which house we're gonna buy. Option number 1.
No, this is my room.
It's massive!
We can all shower in here together.
Yeah!
Rate it.
Like a 7.5.
What do you like about it?
I like the slide and the diving board a lot, but also I like your shower. It's like really big.
Olive, rate it 1 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? What do you like?
I really like the hood thing. I give it 7.8. I can literally hide it.
I know.
I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. I really like this, like the space, and I really like how the design is just very, I don't know, it's just very modern and simple, I guess.
I rate this one a 7.6 because the last pool had like a slide and a diving board and a jacuzzi, but this one doesn't. I really like the backyard because it's so beautiful. I like the pool, but it's so dirty.
It is dirty. There was leaves in it.
I love it really much. Bye.
House number 1, 2, or 3?
It's a hard one between 1 and 3, but if I had to choose, it's 3.
Okay, thank you. Which house do you want mommy to buy?
The pool with the slide.
The first one? Number 1? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, or 3?
Oh, this is so hard. I think I'm gonna have to go with 2 because the backyard. The backyard is a little more spacious, which I like, so that we could have another thing in the backyard rather than just the pool. But if that one was like the same size backyard as the third one, I would definitely pick number 3. Oh, it's so hard.
So 2? Final answer? Okay.